Good morning! Well, it's not really morning, it's more of afternoon. But, that's how I roll. Sleep all day, stay up all night. About to chow down on some corn dogs. Yeah. While I'm waiting on corn dogs to cook, I'm going to pick out a movie. Bedhead. Oh, look what I got yesterday. Oh. It's the first time I've tried it ever. It's just heaven in my mouth. If you gave me a chance. Relationships. I'm in a relationship, and it is very, very meaningful. It's close to my heart, and it is with pizza. Just love pizza. I have to watch this video. This is funny. So it was funny. I think I'm going to actually write today because I really need to write. I think I'm going to watch If I Stay and then I'll write. And it's raining outside. Barely. It looks like little snowflakes. Got a 10% chance of snow today. So that's pretty exciting. I'm writing a book. And it's going to be about like my past relationships. Holy crap. Scared the crap out of me. Jeez. It's going to be about my past relationships with guys and like why they didn't work out and how it affected me and all this kind of stuff. And then like the last chapter is going to be about how to love yourself, and that loving yourself will be more important than having to depend on a guy, be independent on yourself and all that stuff. So I think it'll be pretty good. I'm on chapter 4, but I'm stuck. Chapter 4 is going to be like my transition from middle school into high school, and then it's going to be about my freshman year and my first kiss. So I'm not sure. I've sat down with my computer like twice the past few days, and I just can't, I don't know how to start it. But I'll get it eventually. My corn dog's ready, so I'm going to go eat, and I'll be back in like a second for you guys. Can't forget the ruffles. It's happening. It is happening. Oh my gosh. So excited. Holy cow. Oh snap. I'm watching If I Stay. That's what I decided on. And look at my dirty screen. Oh well. Okay, well, I'm gonna go watch my movie, and I will see you guys later. Peace. Ah! Hey guys, sorry, I had to pause my movie and show you what I got yesterday. This huge freaking sweater. It goes past my knees. It's like thick and bulky everywhere, and it's got like this little thing right here that goes all the way down, and it ties, which I don't like to tie, but I think I'm gonna cut it off. But anyway, cuffs at the sleeves. Oh, so warm. I got it yesterday, and I wore it to sleep last night and woke up sweating. But anyway, it's gonna be super duper warm during the winter time. But anyway, I'm gonna get back to my movie now. Bye. Oh, so sad. Just kidding. Currently drinking Dr. Pepper out of a wine glass. Fancy. Guys, Haven't been outside all day long. But of course, my mom needs my help. To the rescue. It's so dark and so cold. So I heard a freaking noise running to me as I opened the door. My freaking sister-in-law's dogs ran towards me. It scared the crap out of me. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Boogie, go away. And it's raining. But I'm warm because I have my big old, my thing that I showed you earlier, that little tan. Yeah, that. It's so cold. Here's the pool. I'll grab all my information. The only kid I know to stick his head in a bowl to get the popcorn out.
The only kid you know.
That hurt really, really bad. It got those two. I need some popcorn. He loves popcorn.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
So, we've had this bag of chips, veggie straws, sea salt flavored, for like a month because my mom likes the ranch flavored ones. Well, when my grandparents went to Sam's, they got the wrong flavor and we haven't eaten them yet. Leave a comment below if you like them. I have tried the ranch ones and they were good, but I've never tried the sea salt ones, so I'm scared. Dumplings for dinner, and there's a candle and Santa. Grandma turning up with all these Budweiser cups in here.
We had, there's some kind of tandem's drinking now. It's just started again. The
What? What is it? What? So cold out here, but I got food. Back in the camper, yay! Safely locked inside the camper. Y'all. Back to editing the video. Okay, so I think I'm gonna wrap this up. That was my first vlog of ever. I've always wanted to vlog, but I've never figured out like what to vlog about. So I hope it wasn't too boring, but I hope it wasn't like retarded or anything like that. I tried my best, you know, with the day that I've had. It was rainy, it was cold, it was just a boring day. There was nothing really to do. But anyway, like this video and subscribe, share it, do whatever you gotta do. Get my subscribers up, you guys. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Good night.